In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Redbubble stickers from your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned artist wanting to clean up your Redbubble shop, or just looking to declutter your designs, this tutorial will provide you with all the necessary steps to seamlessly remove any unwanted stickers or designs from your account. So let's dive right in and start simplifying your Redbubble portfolio. To kick things off, you'll first need to navigate to the Redbubble homepage. For those unfamiliar, Redbubble is a fantastic platform that allows independent artists to sell their designs on a wide array of products. Once you're on their homepage, you'll have to access your account. Accomplishing this is straightforward. Simply look for the login option, typically located towards the top right hand side of the screen. Upon clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. These details are your keys to accessing your personal Redbubble dashboard, where your designs and personal settings reside. Take a moment to carefully type in your email address followed by your password. Remember, accuracy is key to ensure you're not hindered by any typo-related login issues. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be redirected back to the Redbubble homepage or your personal dashboard, depending on your settings. Now it's time to locate and manage your portfolio, which houses all of your uploaded designs and stickers. To do this, you should click on your profile icon, which is again located towards the top right hand corner of the screen. From the drop down menu that appears, select Manage Portfolio. This will direct you to an overview of all your uploaded works. It's here where you can truly start to manage and curate your designs. Browse through your portfolio to locate the specific sticker or design you wish to remove. Redbubble is designed to be user friendly, so navigating through your portfolio should be a breeze. Upon finding the design you want to delete from your portfolio, you'll notice a cogwheel or settings icon associated with it. Click on this icon to reveal a selection of options related to the management of that specific design. Among these options, there will be a delete button. This button is your direct way to remove the design or sticker from your portfolio. However, before you proceed with deletion, take a moment to consider your decision. Once a design is removed, it can't be undone with a simple click. If you're sure that you no longer want this design to be part of your Redbubble portfolio, then go ahead and click on Delete. After clicking Delete, Redbubble may prompt you for a confirmation to ensure that you genuinely intend to remove the design. This step is crucial as it acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. Confirm your intention and voila, your design will be removed from your portfolio promptly. And there you have it. You've successfully removed unwanted stickers or designs from your Redbubble portfolio. It's a simple process, but it can significantly impact the presentation of your portfolio and how potential buyers view your shop. Remember, keeping your Redbubble portfolio fresh and up to date is vital for attracting and retaining interest in your artwork. Regularly reviewing and curating your portfolio can lead to a more cohesive and appealing collection of designs that truly represent your artistic brand. Before we wrap up this tutorial, here's a quick tip. If you're on the fence about deleting a design, consider updating it instead. Sometimes a design may just need a bit of tweaking to become popular with your audience. Redbubble offers tools to edit designs directly within the platform, so take advantage of these features to refine your artworks before deciding to remove them completely. Thank you for joining me in today's guide on how to remove stickers from your Redbubble portfolio. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made the process as smooth as possible for you. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep sharing your art with the world. Happy designing!